Today, we are going to be discussing the Cambridge IELTS Academic Book 15, Test 3, the Writing Task 2. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Some people say that advertising is extremely successful at persuading us to buy things. Other people think that advertising is so common that we no longer pay attention to it. Discuss both these views and give your opinion. Now this 40-minute, 250-word essay can be written in 4 paragraphs. In the introduction, describe the essay. In para 1, discuss advertising being successful at persuading people. In para 2, discuss people not paying attention to advertisement. And in the conclusion, give your opinion with some reasons. The following slides will show how this task can be written. Do note the linking words in red and vocabulary in blue. Now in the introduction, describe the essay. Some people say that advertisement is the key aspect that drives their choice when it comes to buying something, while others believe that advertisements are inconsequential to them as there are a lot of other factors that they consider before making their purchases. In this essay, I will discuss these opposing points of view and then give my opinion about the role of advertisements. Now in para 1, discuss advertisements being successful at persuading people. Advertisements are the primary source of information related to a product and its features that a manufacturer puts out for the consumer's knowledge. And although this is an old practice which was done on hoardings, the radio and the television, it is still the dominant method of propaganda for goods and services even on the internet today. And so most people tend to study these advertisements to learn about the various features of the products that they are interested to purchase. Now in para 2, discuss people not paying any attention to advertisements. Now on the other hand, other people tend to seek advice from their peers before considering buying a product. They even refer to social media videos to get reviews about the products that they intend to purchase. This is because they feel that advertisers only tend to highlight the positive aspects of their products, and therefore these advertisements are incomplete pieces of information. And in the conclusion, give your opinion with some reasons. Thus, after discussing both views, I believe that one can refer to advertisements to determine the features of a product, and then they could refer to the internet as well as the people known to them to know the performance of the products. Now this next slide will show the entire essay. You can pause to read at your own pace. Thank you for watching.